Here are my top 5 reasons why keto is not low carb. And what do I mean by that? I mean keto is not like any typical or traditional low carb diet most people have tried. Yes, technically keto is low carb, but I do see this on the daily, and I want to save you from making the same mistake. So most people I see starting keto with the mindset that keto is low carb. And with that, they will and do fail. So my goal by the end of this video is to help you focus your attention from keto being low carb to instead focus on keto being high fat. Reason number 1, keto is not traditional low carb for an average human consuming 2,000 calories a day. Typically, low carb is defined as eating around 100 grams of carbs or less a day. And the thing is, most people aren't able to see any significant increase in blood ketone levels unless they are below roughly 50 grams of carbs a day, and let alone get into actual nutritional ketosis. So reason number 2, traditional low carb diets do not include enough fat in their diet. Hence why we put a lot of emphasis on keto not being low carb and rather high fat, because you get in that 75% fat each day and it acts like a buffer. And we all know how easy it is to go over on that 5% carbs. So we need that 75% fat buffer to help us stay in ketosis, curb those cravings, and increase satiety. Something that traditional low carb diets do not provide. Reason number 3, on keto, you actually feel full. You don't have to walk around with your stomach grumbling and being hungry all day like we all have felt when you're following a traditional low carb diet. So on keto, you can avoid those hunger cravings and control your eating, and it makes it so much easier. Reason number 4, traditional low carb diets typically fill in the subtracted carbs with more protein. And we all know that for most people when starting keto, specifically before the body becomes fat adapted, it is very, very important to keep your protein moderate. And here at Team Keto, we like to stick between 15 to 20% protein daily. Reason number 5, there are a number of foods which are usually fine to eat when following a traditional low carb diet, yet don't fly at all. Let's take a look at the type of foods most traditional low carb diets use and compare them to keto high fat diet foods. So, looking over here on this side, on the left, traditional low carb diet foods, on the right, keto foods, high fat foods. So we have beans, we have fruits, we have starchy vegetables like peas and carrots, and we have trail mix types of nuts with fruits and fruits in them, and then all the vegetables. Whereas all of the keto high fat diet foods, we have our coconut oil, our butter, nuts, all right, high fat nuts that don't have any type of dried fruit in them. And of course, comparing fruits and vegetables, I like broccoli and avocado on the keto diet is amazing. And last but not least, I love my creams. Cream cheese, heavy whipping cream. So if you just take a look on my right, keto high fat diet foods. On the left is the traditional low carb diet foods. So basically, all of these things go out, even though they're technically a low carb diet food, they don't fly on keto. So if you're gonna do keto the right way, the tip is to focus on high fat.